Okay, 115, they want to know rational or irrational. So again, can it be represented as a fraction or not? So A, the square root of a number that is not a perfect square is irrational. Irrational. So that one's irrational. Easy to see. The next one, we know that when we add 2/3 and 3/4, we're going to get a fraction, right? What fraction are we going to get? Let's see. We're going to get 8/12. We don't even need to do this. Plus 9/12. We get 17/12, which is a fraction, so that is a rational number. The next one, again, this is not a perfect square, so it is irrational, right? And the last one, we have the square root of 9 is 3 times the third root of 9. Now, the third root of 9 is not a perfect cube. A perfect cube is 8, right? Because the cube root of 8 is 2, right? Another perfect cube would be 27 because the cube root of 27 is 3, right? So this is not, so it's irrational.